Guys, so I just wanted to get straight into this video and show you guys everything that comes in the bag. This is the Elfin satin bag, and I'm going to show you everything. We have a crochet needle, we have a HD lace cap, and we have a pamphlet that tells you all the do's and don'ts of the hair, which is very good if you're not accustomed to human hair extensions. They also have a coupon code. If you share the hair on social media, you can get some money back. And then you have a nice big bonnet. Everyone needs a bonnet. And then this is how the hair looks. I'm showing you guys exactly how it looks when it just came, so you guys can see the curl pattern and see how it looks. It's a gorgeous curl, and you get quite a bit of hair on the bundle, which I can appreciate. It's not thin, it's not flimsy, and I like that a lot. So this is my hair. The hair is from Elfinhair. I got 2 bundles of hair, and I think I'm going to use the first bundle on the front portion of my hair and then the second bundle on the back. So I left out my perimeter, the front and the back, about 1/2 inch, and I also did a beehive in the middle. So this is how the hair looks. Is how the hair looks. It's literally hair on either side, and then there's a string in the middle. I am going to do so this is how it looks when you pull it through. Then I'm just gonna take one and pull it through. You can pull it through both of them, but I'm doing the invisible method at the front. So as I'm doing my hair, one thing I will say is you gotta keep track of how many crochet hair you're putting on each row of braids so that your hair can be equal, because I feel like one side of my head is a bit heavier, more dense than the other side, and that's because I wasn't keeping track of how many hair that I placed on each braid. So if you want to make sure your hair is completely even, have the same fullness, I would make sure that the hair on each row of braid is counted, and you can do the same thing on the opposite side. So this is how my hair looks. It's nice and full. I will say though that if you have a bigger head, you're definitely going to need more than 2 packs of hair. You're gonna need maybe 3 to 4. I have a small peanut head, so 2 packs was enough. But if you want a full look, definitely get 3 to 4 packs. So let me turn to the back. And this is in the natural curl pattern. So I'm gonna pull out my edges and do some blending. I'm going to be using this Hawaiian Silky 4-in-1 Miracle Worker. Then I'm going to use my Dog's Crazy Sexy Curl. And then I'm going to use some gel. I have on some gloves. I'm just going to part my hair in half. and get to start styling. I'm probably gonna fast forward this portion.
We are dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust. Search but you stay lost. We are reaching for the stars, but we're making this too hard. And I wonder where you are, mysterious. That's the part you always show, 'cause you're too curious. Maybe you should take it slow, mysterious.
Hi guys, so I wanted to come back in here and show you guys the hair fully dry and how it looks. It actually looks really amazing, and I love the versatility. I can actually do a side part. I can do a half up, half down. I can put the whole thing in a bun. So this crochet style is very versatile. I love how it looks. I love how it came out. And thank you to Elfinhair for sponsoring today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave your comments in the comment section below. And I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.